My philosophy on skincare is cleanse, correct, hydrate, and protect. You want to keep your skin clean. There's nothing fancy about that, but it's important. You want to keep your skin moisturized. You want to protect your skin. That's sunscreen. We all hear lectures on that every day. And then if you want to take it that extra step, you want to use some kind of correction factor. You want to try to repair some of the damage that's occurred. The best way to do that in this day and age is either retinols or retin-A-based treatments. Those, however, can be troublesome to people who are in the sun a lot. Antioxidant-based treatments, and there's new and more powerful antioxidants being developed all the time that have better skin penetration and absorption, and those aren't as sensitive to your lifestyle. And then growth factor treatment, which is really a new and growing field. And again, they've got those in agents that have better skin penetration than they used to. We have skincare products so that for the convenience and to give access to the best possible products for our patients. Along those lines, we're always keeping an eye out for changes, and we're making sure that we have the best possible skincare products, be they antioxidant based or growth factor based or something new that hasn't come along yet. We're keeping an eye out, we're testing it, we're evaluating it, and we're making it available to our patients as soon as we realize that it's effective and safe.